Hey plant lovers! Today I'm going to show you how to grow beautiful roses from cuttings, using a simple method that includes something you probably already have in your kitchen: turmeric. No fancy tools or chemicals needed, just a rose branch, a pot, some soil, and a little patience. Let's get started. First, find a healthy rose branch, ideally one that's not flowering and about the thickness of a pencil. You'll want a stem that's about 6 to 8 inches long. Using clean, sharp scissors or pruning shears, cut the stem diagonally just below a leaf node. That diagonal cut increases the surface area for water absorption and encourages rooting. Next, remove all the lower leaves from the cutting, leaving just 1 or 2 small leaves at the top. This helps the cutting focus its energy on growing roots instead of supporting leaves. Now here's the cool part. Instead of using rooting hormone, we're using turmeric powder. Turmeric has natural antifungal and antibacterial properties, which helps prevent rot and infection while the cutting roots. Just dip the bottom inch of the stem into turmeric powder. Make sure it's well coated. Fill a small pot with well-draining soil. A mix of garden soil and sand or perlite works great. Make a hole with your finger or a stick. Insert the stem gently and press the soil around it to hold it in place. Be careful not to rub off the turmeric when planting. To keep humidity high, cover the pot with a clear plastic bag or a cut plastic bottle. This acts like a mini greenhouse and keeps moisture in, which is key for rooting. Water the soil lightly. You want it to be moist but not soggy. Then place the pot in a bright, indirect light spot, not in direct sun. Now comes the hardest part: waiting. Within 3 to 4 weeks, you should start seeing signs of growth, either new leaves or resistance when you gently tug the stem, a sign that roots are forming. In about 6 to 8 weeks, your rose cuttings should be fully rooted and ready to be transplanted to a larger pot or your garden. And that's it. You've just cloned a rose using nothing more than a branch, some turmeric, and a pot. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your garden-loving friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more simple plant hacks. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy this next video on Root Any Branch with one simple technique. Happy gardening!